I have with me DMK leader Ms. Kanimoy with me, ma'am. What would you say the VBG Ramji bill has been passed in Lok Sabha today?
Yeah, the VB Gramji bill, it's taking away the rights of the people. It was a demand-based work opportunity employment scheme, and now it has been changed into something totally different. It takes the power of the worker away from them. And also, when they say that there will be 60 days in a peak agricultural period, they will not get employment. It takes away the negotiating capability and power of the people, the workers, the agricultural workers from them, because they will be left at the mercy of the landlords. And the states cannot decide who needs the employment and who should be given the employment. Now it will be the union government which is deciding which district in which state needs employment. So the power and the right of the rural people to get employment has been completely destroyed by this bill, and that is why the DMK is totally opposing this bill. And our request that it should be sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee has also gone unheeded. We will continue our protest.
But the minister, when he spoke, so that was Kanimoy specifically saying that DMK has demanded this bill to be sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee. That has not been done. However, the party has opposed this bill on the floor of the House. This is Vijay Lakshmi for India TV from Delhi.